What's the meaning of assessment? Assessment. Assessment.
Assessment. Assessment. The term assessment refers to the process of evaluating or measuring a particular quality, skill, or knowledge. It involves collecting and analyzing data to determine an individual's strengths and weaknesses in order to make informed decisions. The results of an assessment can provide valuable insights into an individual's performance, as well as help identify areas that require improvement. The information gathered from assessments can be used to inform decisions related to education, employment, and personal development. Overall, assessments serve as a tool for growth and progress, helping individuals reach their full potential.